Hey everyone, it's Gretchen here. Happy Friday, Friday night in my pajamas, and I'm doing a Yankee Candle Meltdown. I picked up this mold, and I cannot remember now. I know I hauled it, but I think it was Joann's is where I got it. And it's a silicone mold, and it's little bunny and chicks. So hopefully you can get a good view on that. It's a little dark in here. So there's my little mold. You can see it fits in my hand. That's how tiny they are. And I have an American Home by Yankee Candle. I got this at Walmart. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want a smaller jar to play with this until I figure it out, because I don't want to waste, you know, good candles. So I'm going to pop the top off. I have my, what is this? Coffee warmer or tea warmer, whatever. It's just a mug warmer. And I got this at Bed Bath & Beyond. I have my foil down, so when I make a mess, it's going to be on the foil. I'm just going to stick my candle on there, and I'm going to turn it on, and I'll check back in with you. So that is the start of my Meltdown margarita, I think. Perfect margarita. That's what we're melting down today. All right, I'll check back in with you. All right, the wax is melted. I grabbed this little snow cone cup, and it's just warm, not too bad. Just gonna move that away so I don't get wax all over it. Although I don't think I've ever warmed a cup of coffee on it at all. Oh, let's see here. I'm just gonna pour it in there, and then I'm gonna pour it in my mold. Let's see. Isn't it fun to make a mess? Hoping you can see that. I think so. It's getting darker and darker. Whoops. Not when I overran it. So the chicks are a little hard because they're smaller than the bunny heads. Dump some more. Guess I should really have the camera going the other way, but maybe I can do it this way. Yeah, I'm not very good left-handed. But what I like about silicone, though, you can break all that off, and I won't use this for anything else but wax melt. And margarita, our perfect margarita, is a strong smeller, but I've washed them out with soap and water when I'm like doing my Illuma lids and stuff, and I've gotten rid of the smell pretty good. See, I'm not good with my left hand. The chick's the hardest. Oh, almost. Oh. All right. Can you see it? It's filled. I'll check back in with you when it solidifies. Okay, I think everything has been set up, and that's what it looks like. So you can see there with the silicone how it just peels right off. So let's see what they look like. Just gonna pop them out. Oh my goodness, look at that little bunny rabbit. Just taking the edges off. It's still just a bit soft, a bit warm. Just going to pop the rest out. That's what I like about the silicone. It just, the extra wax comes right out. There's a little chickie. Oh, it's so cute. Let me move that up so you can see my wax melts. Now that one I over poured. Hopefully we can get rid of that. It doesn't matter, you just throw in the wax warmer right and it melts. It's like little Easter treats. So they're coming out nice and easy. I have a mess here on this one. Let me try to trim some of that off. When it's still soft like that, you can get your fingers in there and kind of give it a haircut. But it's super cute. The little chicky poo right here. That one turned out nice. So I'll keep popping those out. And again, this was the American Home Perfect Margarita. And probably what I'll do with this, I'll either melt down again and re-pour, or I'll just use it on my warmer. And you know, you can get a long time. For me, I can get a couple days out of that. And then I'll just keep my cup. So that's what I got's going on. Now my fingers smell like lemon lime. Let me move that aside. And I'll show you Bella. She's cleaning herself. Show you my pajamas. Look, my socks match my fingernails. Right, Bella? And let me do one more thing. I know Bella's not fond of the margarita smell. I have my money challenge here. Let me flip it around. And I'm just going to pull a number out. So I think we're up to week 7. I'll link it below. $10. Yes, $10 for I think week 7. All right, have a great weekend. Talk to you later. Bye.